Wait, am I in trouble? This is my first day in New York.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel.
My vacation is a nightmare. Do you want to see why?
Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure. Was I driving too fast?
May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, one moment. Here you are.
You were driving 45. This road is 30. That's too fast.
Oh, I'm very sorry. This is a rental car. I didn't see the sign.
Speeding is dangerous. It can hurt people.
Yes, I understand. I'm very sorry.
This time, I'll give you a warning.
Thank you. No more speeding. I just want to get to the hotel now. I finally arrived at my hotel. Now I want to check in. Good afternoon. Welcome to the AFU Hotel. How can I help you? Hi, I want to check in. May I see your passport, please? Yes, here you go. You have a room for 3 nights. A king room, is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Excellent. We need a credit card for a $50 deposit. Sorry, what is the deposit for? It is for extra costs. For example, minibar or room service. If there is no extra cost, you get the money back. Okay, here is my card. Thank you. Your room number is 512. Checkout is 11 a.m. Breakfast is free from 8 to 10. The elevator is on the left. Thank you very much. I'm so tired. I just want to rest. What is this? This is a closet, not a room. Hello, I'm calling from room 512. I think there is a problem. I booked a king room, but this room is small.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Lucy.
Do you have your reservation number?
Yes, it is 0007.
I'm sorry. We do not have a king room now.
What? I booked a king room. This is not okay. I planned this trip for a long time. I'm not happy. I may write a bad review.
I understand. I'm very sorry. Please wait a moment. I need to talk to my manager.
Thank you for waiting. Good news. We have a king room now. We can change your room today. That is good. Thank you for helping me. Finally, this is much better. Wait, why is it so hot? Is the AC on? 85 degrees? No wonder it's boiling in here. Excuse me, I'm in room 612. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm very sorry. I will send someone to check it.
Excuse me, I'm in room 612. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm very sorry. I will send someone to check it.
I am here to check the air conditioner. It is broken. We cannot fix it now. You need to change rooms.
Oh no, I just unpacked my bags.
I'm very sorry for the trouble. We have a new room for you. It is room 618. Dinner tonight is free. The spa is also free.
Okay, thank you. I am so tired. But I have a free dinner. Let's see what I can order. Hello, room service?
Good evening. Room service. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Lucy in room 618. I want to order dinner. I would like a steak, medium.
Would you like a salad and water?
Yes, please. Yes, salad and sparkling water.
Would you like potatoes?
Yes, mashed potatoes, please. I also need dry cleaning. 1 jacket, 1 shirt, 1 pair of pants.
Pick up tonight or tomorrow?
Tonight is fine.
Dinner at 7:30. Dry cleaning in 15 minutes. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you. I need a phone SIM card.
Are you new to America?
Yes, I just arrived.
Welcome. Let's get you set up. Prepaid means you pay first. No contract.
I want prepaid, unlimited data. How much?
It's $50 a month.
Okay, I want this plan. We made it through the first day. If you want to see day 2, please subscribe to my channel.